One of the assignments for your Management 4701 class will be to determine the competitors for your particular company. You can do this by going to the Management 4701 LibGuide and clicking on the Identifying Competitors tab. Under that, you'll find some information. There are several different ways that you can identify your competitors. You can use sites like MSN Money or Reuters, or you can also use some of our databases. I'm going to start by going to the MSN Money website and showing you how you can use this. At the top, I'm going to type in the name of my company. So again, we're looking for the Kellogg Company. I'll select that. And here I have the entry for Kellogg's. You'll notice that there's several different things here across the top that I can use again for more information about my company. If I need to look for their history, if I want to look at their financials, I have that here, and this can be another source that you can use for your homework assignments. As I scroll down through the page, I'm going to see some key information here. I can look at this and compare, and if I click on compare, it shows me this company's major competitors. So Mondelez International, General Mills, Hershey Company, and ConAgra are who MSN Money considers to be their major competitors. I can also go to a site like Reuters. When I go to the Reuters website, I can click on the search box and then again type in my company's name. At the top, you'll usually see a link for your company and their stock exchange. Click on that, and again it brings up that particular company. Again, I can scroll down and find some other key information across the top or down through the page. On the right hand side of Reuters, you will see a listing of competitors. Again, they're listing Mondelez, Kraft Food, Treehouse Foods, Post, and Annie's. So again, as you look at these websites, they may list different companies as competitors. For instance, you may have a company that lists Walmart as one of their major competitors, even though they might be a small apparel company. Because Walmart sells clothing, they would be considered a competitor. However, you want to look at close or similar types of competitors. So again, take a look at these websites and see who are the competitors that are listed there. Another thing that you can do to determine a competitor is to go to the Roberts Library webpage. Go to the Dalton State page, click on the link About Roberts Library, and you'll come to the page here. You're going to want to use some of the business databases that are found in Galileo. So if you're on campus, click the Galileo link. If you're off campus, click here and log in with your My Dalton State username and password. We'll go ahead and click on Galileo. Then under Databases A to Z, I'm going to click that link and click on the letter B. As I scroll down through the page, I'm going to see a couple of business databases. I want to select the Business Source Complete Business Searching Interface database, which is listed at the very bottom. I'll click on that, and in just a moment it loads this screen here. On the right hand side, I want to click on Company Profile so I can bring up information about my particular company. I'm going to go ahead and enter the name in the search box and then click on the Market Line Report. Once the Market Line Report comes up, I'll scroll down through. Market Line Report is prepared by individual or group business analysts. They look at many different factors in the company and prepare these reports, usually annually. As I'm looking at the table of contents for Kellogg's, I'll notice that there's some information here about the top competitors. I can go ahead and just click on that link, and here's who they list as the top competitors. Again, Mondelez is listed, General Mills, ConAgra is added to this list, and you'll see some others. So from these listings on the various websites, you will need to determine who are the true competitors for your company.